This modern classic Nigerian fried rice retains its traditional charm but incorporates that perfect refined cooking technique. It's also evenly spiced green gold fried rice with turkey. I hope you enjoy watching this video with me, lovelies. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger, and thank you so much to my returning subscribers. First on our list is our protein. In this case, you will make choice of your favorite protein. I will be going for turkey wings. What I did is just fillet the upper part of my turkey wings. That's the bone which I will take aside. We won't be needing that. Now you want to go ahead and marinate or season your protein. I will go for my green seasoning marinade today. So if you care, please make use of any spice, any seasoning you have at home, or better still, go ahead and make your seasoning. It doesn't take time to make this, and I think everyone should have this seasoning, this green seasoning at home. It is very simple. I'll leave a link to that up here on the screen. This green seasoning carries a lot. Now imagine me or imagine you starting all over again, all from fresh, peeling your garlic, your onion, your ginger, everything requires. Okay, here you have it ready, just scoop in what you want. I added some vegetable powder, some curry. Okay, these are the things that are not included in that green seasoning. I will also leave the list on the screen here. So after marinating that, you want to let it stay for about 5 minutes, okay, to infuse those flavor aroma in your turkey. Add in some water, enough water to cook your rice, okay, because we need this broth to make our rice, okay, our fried rice. Our turkey is well cooked, tender, and flavorful. Now you want to take it off the broth and then strain out the broth and set aside for a later use. In a normal way, we will go ahead and fry our turkey, but that's not our method for today. So please stick around with me, watch this video to the end, and get all the details of this rice, this fried rice recipe. Thank you so much for still watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Our first step for this recipe is well done and dusted, which is the protein. Now we will move ahead with our fried rice. Now I did this off camera, which is cleaning my rice or washing my rice off camera. What I did is just use nice hot water to clean my rice, which I believe everybody can do. This is to save time, okay, because the video is getting longer than I used to post. After washing your rice, you want to go ahead, use a sieve to let every liquid drop out. Then add in some amount of vegetable oil to your pot or pan. Bring in your rice and fry. It is called fried rice, so we need a little bit of time to fry this rice until it looks dry, okay, without letting it get burnt, please. Now, again, I will bring in my green seasoning. If you don't have this green seasoning, once again, now add in your thyme, add in your curry, add in some garlic if you care. You know, the normal, I will always say season to your taste, okay, because I believe we all have a different taste. So you want to do that to your preference. And then wet in with my chicken or turkey broth or your protein broth. Now, after adding my protein broth, it is time to decide how much seasoning you still want to include. Now, I went in with small amount of salt, some amount of turmeric. It is not turmeric rice, so I added just small amount of it. I went in with small amount of chili flakes and some vegetable powder. If you don't have enough stock like me today, go in with some hot water, incorporate all that nicely, cover up and let it cook until soft and tender. Now, only my phone knows what happened to this part, the quality of this video of this clip, okay? Please bear with me. Now, to my turkey, what I will do, if you want to fry your turkey, go ahead and do so, but I love this method. So I just added some paprika powder and some oil to lock that in, okay? To lock the paprika powder in. The turkey tastes fantastic already, so no more seasoning. Now, you want to grill this for not more than 15 minutes at 150 degrees C. Like, guys, your turkey will come out super soft and yummy, and just like you fried it. This is my best method of making my turkey. The main thing done for the day are the slicing of the veggies. I have sliced mine behind the camera, three color bell peppers, I have onion, carrot, and scallions. Again, I have my sliced cabbage, I have green beans and sweet corn. We will be going for some egg and shrimps today. We said it is a dated Nigerian classic fried rice, and I bet you will love this recipe. To my shrimps, I will season with small amount of my green seasoning, some cracked pepper, and small amount of salt, adding some oil to lock all the spices in. Now set that aside, our rice is ready. This is what it looks like. You want to go ahead and test if it is soft enough for you. It shouldn't be too soft, okay? You know what I mean when it comes to fried rice. We often make this mistake, taking off our rice off the flame when it's not completely dry. Don't make that mistake, please. Let your rice get dry to the bottom. Do not overcook it. This way, your rice will stay long. It won't get spoiled very fast, and the look will be very inviting. To my egg, what I did is just season with salt. That's just enough for me. I will go in with some amount of oil to a fresh pan. It is up to you. You can go in with some vegetable oil, some olive oil, any oil of your choice, or butter. Then make your scrambled egg. Let me say a very big thank you to you that is still watching this video to this time. You are the best. Thank you for doing so. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you would love to see this kind of recipe in future, then check out more recipes on this channel and hit the subscribe button for me. Also, don't forget to hit on the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. One thing that is a no-no for me is over frying my shrimps, okay? So I love to have that super interesting Mediterranean taste of shrimps and that's crunchy in my mouth. So scoop it out after doing this for maybe 3 minutes. Set aside, bring in some oil. This oil will make your fried rice look shiny and the butter will give it an amazing taste. We are not doing the frying method here, or the veggies fry in deep fryer or whatever. No, it is an edited Nigerian fried rice. If you want that of liver, using liver, I have it on my channel. If you want to have that special Nigerian fried rice, I will leave a link in the description box or up on the screen here. So after adding my carrot, let it cook a little bit. Go in with the rest of the vegetable and season. Okay, season with some curry, some thyme, some garlic, everything that you need. I added my green and that's all. So I will go in with my cabbage. Now let me say this: if you want to have this rice more than 2 days, just keep the garbage thing, okay? Garbage will make the rice spoil very fast. If you notice, I have some veggies at the side. These veggies will be in the fridge, and if I want to have fried rice tomorrow, what I will do is just do the same process, okay? And I will have a fresh and delicious fried rice, okay? That is my method for this fried rice, and I hope you like it. I went in with my rice, I went in with the prawns and the egg, stir everything together, and it tasted fantastic. I bet you guys. I added my scallions and you are good to go. Now check out this turkey, guys. You will never tell it is not fried turkey. What I did is just go on a low heat, 150 degrees C, and that's all. And that paprika powder will give it that look that's like it's a fried turkey, okay? That smoky fried roasted turkey. This is what we have here. Tasted fantastic. Our rice is ready to serve. So here we go, edited classic Nigerian fried rice. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you all so much for doing so. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your loved ones. Leave your opinion in the comment section, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.